All right, so the great thing about the LG strategy, the biggest benefit we're going to get is the fills, right? We get some fast fills in fast markets, and then it manages the entry, the stop, and the exit. Here are the additions. So that I added some bells and whistles to the strategy. It's going to be coming on the members download page, like I said, next week. We're going to go over some live trading, and I'm going to show you how it works live, how you can adjust stops. Number one, the addition is only going to take trades with our zone trend. So that's number one. It's only going to take trades with our zone trend. So here yesterday, we had some beautiful moves yesterday. I mean, it was just really good vertical moves. A lot of you guys did very well yesterday. So when you get these V-tops here, V-top here, V-top, V-top here, you don't have to worry about taking these counter trades. So when the market's counter trend trading like this, this green area or this area or this area, you don't have to worry about it counter trend trading. It's only going to take trades with V-tops with trend. So if my zone trend is red, it's only going to take trades with zone trend, period. That's going to help a lot of you guys and gals out about not worrying about these small little counter pushes, about waiting till you have to turn it on when the V bottom comes in. If you're in a hard downtrend, you can literally just leave the strategy on and let it just keep taking these V tops all the way down, until you want to turn it off for a certain time period. So that's one big addition right here. It's only going to take trades with our zone trend, the LG2 strategy. Right now, currently what you have in your hands, you just wait for a V-top like this, a V-top, a V-top, a V-top, or V-top. You turn the strategy on, it'll automatically enter, run your targets and your stop. But that's one addition I had. The second addition that you guys wanted, that have been doing very well at the system, is you wanted a trailing stop. You want a trailing stop and to move targets. So now what's going to happen is, let's say you take a trade, let's say you get in, let me blow this up a little bit. Put this down here. Let me blow this up so you can see it better. So let's say you get into this V-top here. You get into this V-top, the strategy automatically gets you in on this V-top right there. So it gets you short at that level. As soon as that gets short, you're going to see a vertical horizontal line go across. It's going to be red. It's like Chart Trader you can use, and you can now adjust your trailing stop loss as you're trying to get your target. So as soon as it comes in, your stop's going to come in. Let's say you have two targets. Say your first target's here, your second target's here. Okay, so what you can do after you enter, you can click on the mouse and drag that to wherever the high of that liquidity grab, even there, and you can start trailing price as it moves down. If ever it hits that stop level, it's going to get you out automatically on all your contracts. But on big pronounced runs like this yesterday, what I like to do is I like to trail go 2 liquidity grabs back, start out here, go 2 liquidity grabs back, there's your stop there, there's your stop there, there's your stop there, and you just can keep trailing your stop down accordingly with that. So that's another big addition, that we have trailing stops now on the strategy. You can adjust. It will automatically come on top of your chart. So you can add the strategy. You can add the strategy on top on a blank chart. It will show the zones. It will show your zones first automatically. It will only take trades with the zone trend. If it's red, it's only going to take shorts. If it's green, it's only going to take buys. Then you got the trailing stop. The third addition was that added is a daily, a per trade profit and loss target. So some of you, as you're trying to get your ticks on your certain ticks, you don't want to go over a certain amount of loss on a trade, and you want to try to get a certain target per trade. If it hits that, the strategy will automatically fill your position, get you out of all contracts. If your target is like, if you're trying to go for $300 per trade and $150 loss, what have you, it will do that for you. Okay, so that's the third addition. The fourth is what I did is I added start and stop times. I added 2 of them. So then we added start and stop times. to start and stop times. The reason that's important, we don't want to turn this off onto news. We have news coming out here in about 4 minutes. You don't want to turn the strategy on news. So what you can do is you can have it, I put 2 of them in so you can start and stop them when you want. Let's say you want to trade all the way up to 8:25 this morning. Well, you put your stop time, you want to start trading at 8:33 after news this morning. You'll put your start time at 8:33. It won't take a trade until 8:33 in the morning. And then you can have your stop time whenever you want to trade. A lot of times, a lot of traders like to trade the New York to 11 o'clock. So they'll put 9:33 to 11 o'clock as their start and stop time. And then we all know my time of day trade is the algos like start going back to work at 12:45 in the afternoon. And then it likes to push to 4:10 in the afternoon. So you can do your start and stop times there. So these are the big bells and whistles that you guys, I took a lot of traders inside and outside the room, and this is traders that trade all these different markets. I only show the S&P in the trading room, but we got traders trading, even crypto with this. We got Forex traders, we got crypto traders, we got traders that trade the Bitcoin, we got traders that trade the Forex pairs, we got traders that trade currencies, the euro, the pound, we got traders that trade the commodities, soybeans, corn, we got traders that trade euro, all the futures. So this is universal. But the one thing that is in common are these trading rules. It will only take right here, only take trades with our zone trend after a V top or V bottom, period. It won't take any more than that. Secondly, the trailing stop, like I said, will come in right away on top of your chart, and you can move your trailing stop now. A lot of traders wanted that benefit. If you get a big runner in the market, like yesterday, we had some big runners. Traders like to put it outside these swings on these trailing stop loss. Some traders will get short, and they'll get short all the way up here at this V top, right? They'll get short of all the V top, and then they'll take a trail, and they'll just keep trailing. They'll wait for the next V top, some of you guys, and they'll put it 2 ticks above the next V top. Then they'll put it 2 ticks above the next V top. Then they'll put it against the next V top. Some traders will hold a position for nice big runs like that. Then they'll trail it to the next V top. I got traders that like to do that. So all of a sudden you get short at 85, and then you have the ability to now do a trailing stop loss. You brought it all the way down if it breaks this high of 42, and you just had a 40-point run on the S&P with the liquidity grab trader. So this is a big addition, the trailing stop and to move your targets. It's a big addition for you guys. Trading with the zone trend only is another big addition. If you get into these big sustained trends like this, if you turn it on, it was on, they caught this one, caught this one, caught this one, caught this one, caught this one. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquidity grab trades in a row that worked with trend. Well, where you don't want to get caught, you want to get caught taking counter trend trades like this, right? So I eliminated that out of that. You don't want to get caught with this or this or this, right? So I took that out of the algo and so on like that. So next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to be running over trades, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to have a blank chart up here with the strategy on, and I'm going to show you how to work this. So when you put this on your own system, you can put this on your own system and you guys can go to work. Okay? So, but those are real big additions. I added a lot of traders inside and outside this room. Really one of these top 4 additions to the strategy, and we always like to make traders happy. We're here to help as much as we can, and we added all those bells and whistles that you guys wanted. So Gerald, go ahead and shut that off.